Good morning, class. Today's class is going to be about vocabulary. Specifically, we're going to explore words with Latin roots. What does it mean? It means that these words derive from the Latin language. To start with, it is important to know that the understanding of Latin roots can significantly improve a student's vocabulary and make it easier to decipher the meanings of unfamiliar words. In fact, many English words derive from Latin, especially in academic, scientific, and medical contexts. So that's why it is important for students to know these Latin roots because students are going to be surrounded by academic, scientific, and medical environments throughout their lives. We're going to see the meanings of some Latin roots. First of all, bene, which in English means well or good. And here are some examples of words that use this root: beneficial, benediction, benevolent. And all of them have something to do with goodness, with something that is great. Now we have mal, which means bad or evil. An example of English words would be malevolent, malicious, malady. All of these words have something to do with something that is bad, something that has a negative um, conception. Now we have chron, which means time in English. And here are some examples of words that use this root: chronicle, chronological, synchronize. All of these words have something to do with time. Now we're going to work on a matching game. You have to take out a piece of paper and write these words, this little exercise. You have to match Latin roots with their meanings in English. Lastly, we're going to work on a pronunciation activity. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pronounce the word, and then right after me you have to pronounce it the same way as I do. Let's start. One, two, three. Benevolent, malevolent, chronicle. And that will be all for today. Thanks for your attention.